But they kind of have like a fishy taste. I think.
Trying Asian snacks.
Round 1, savory snacks. So I'm starting with some noodle crispy snacks. Only 160 calories. That's what we like, you know, low calories. Smells pretty good. These kind of remind me of Fritos a little bit. But it's like, it has like a little soyness, like a soy sauce Frito, yeah. That's what I was saying. I give these a 6.5.
So I have these honey roasted almonds. I don't know the name, not gonna hold you. But it says, I'm confused because it says product of Korea, but distributed in Japan. All right.